there's a lot going on, you know, on the eyes, the contact lenses, the eyeshadow itself. So I want my eyes to stand out, yeah? So I don't want anything like my hair coming in the way of taking off the eye look. So this is the final look, guys. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. I'm Zianah Washington. On this channel we do makeup, beauty, lifestyle and fashion vlogs. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please don't leave without clicking the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so that you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. I drop new videos every week. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to be filming this content for you today. I promised you this video a while back, and today is that day. Roll your eyes on all corners so that you can properly sit. I don't know why this eye is a bit teary, but there you have it. We did it, guys. We did it. This is how they look. I'm so in love. Yeah, so guys, this is how I look, and I'm so loving them. I'm so loving the color. I'm so loving how easy it was to install them. So I'm gonna do my makeup. So for the eyeshadow, I'm thinking I just do a little bit of a touch of blue, and I'll be going to my two palettes. This is Juvia's Masquerade Mini by. This is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. It has some shades of blue to there, and this one is the Medesco. It has also some shades of blue here. So I'm gonna see how play around with the colors just to do an eye look that will not be too much for the eyes. Just to darken the edges. Then I'll go into this palette and use this shade here. Finalize with these two shades here. Then I'm going to proceed to wipe off the fallouts from the eyeshadow. I'm using the Dr. Rachel All-in-One Micellar Cleansing Water. Next we are proceeding to the lashes, but first we comb through before we install the lashes.
to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Sign up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
It's a very cool red. I'm gonna be using a brush as well to blend that out. So for the lips, I've decided to do a nude shade. I'll be using Sugar Baby. This is a brand by Shop New Level, Nancy Moy's new collection. So I'm gonna start just by lining my lips with an eye pencil, and I'm using the Viz number 3. So beautiful. On the screen it looks kind of orange, but it's a dusty shade of pink. But I love it so much, and how it blends with the look. So this is my final look. Just decided to stick with the ponytail and not do a wig today, because there's a lot going on, you know, on the eyes, the contact lenses, the eyeshadow itself. So I want my eyes to stand out, yeah? So I don't want anything like my hair coming in the way of taking off the eye look. So this is the final look, guys. What do you think? Tell me in the comment sections. Do you wear cosmetic lenses, or have you been trying to figure out where to buy them and how to wear them? I hope the process that I've shown you on how to put on the contact lenses was easy, because it was my first time and I just got it right the first time. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Just let's engage in the comment sections and tell me what you think about contact lenses. Like, what's your opinion? Do you think like it's just too much? Yeah, for me, I think it's something I'll be doing quite more often, and I'll be experimenting with different colors. And yeah, so tell me also what you think about today's look. Do you think I did justice? And I'm gonna stick with my ponytail. I will be doing a wig. So yeah, that's it. I'm so loving this nude lipstick. This is it. It's Sugar Baby from Shop New Level. I totally love it. I'm so sold. I've used it. I mean, it's almost getting finished. Because I've used it a lot. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys for always coming back and watching my videos. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 tips. Also, you're going to enjoy my content today. I love how the whole look is. My hair in pink, my blue lashes and blue eyeshadow, a nude lipstick with a pink, dusty pink undertone. there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet again, I'll be putting in the description box my affiliate links whereby you can use to purchase any of the makeup products that I've shown you today, including the cosmetic lenses that I'm using right now, that I have on right now. Yeah, and thank you for all the guys who have continuously and every once in a while I use my affiliate links to purchase their products on Jumia. I truly appreciate. See you on my next video. Ciao. And in case you're new here, please don't leave without subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and sharing your opinions in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.